Mphakathi hayi khona la ngasemthiyeni khona lapha ngakadunusi sekulahlelisa sihlahlela nezihlahla yonkinto ngapha sibe siphizisa zama clean ngoba siphushe njalo saseyiyo Yeah, sizama ukuphusha thank you. Yeah, sizama ukuthi kube smart nyana. Yeah. Yeah, kathathe kumele kube into ehlala kube ongoing thing. Yeah, kumele kube ongoing thing. All right. Yeah, sizama kancane kuyoze kulunga. Hello. Kuyoze kulunga. Yeah, over now, ngicela ukuba busy bani emphakathi omusha South Africa.
Awusho futhi mama.
Ngiyaqala in 30 years of democracy.
Yeah.
Ukuhamba kanjena. Thank you to GNU for doing this for us.
Yeah,
we are not saying that abantu mabangathengisi. We are not saying that abantu mabangathengisi, but the government must do the market for all those people that they are selling. Here, we want Johannesburg. We want our Johannesburg back. We want it to clean, like Durban. Durban is clean. There's a market. Also here in Johannesburg, we want government to build a market for them, for each and anyone that is selling.
Manje mami, last question. Uthini ngomeya? Usizwa kanjani ngomeya wethu wase Johannesburg?
I think Tata Morero. I'm not going to judge him, but Tata Morero must work hard to clean Johannesburg, and also those buildings that they've been hijacked. He must look deep into that because we want Joburg. Joburg is a center town for people to come and visit Johannesburg. Yes.
And uzojabula mama uMeya Morero within the next year reclaim 15 buildings that are hijacked.
Yes.
Ngiyajabula. Ngizomtshela mama.
Yo guys, kuningi, like look at how De Villiers has turned into, like De Villiers right next to MTN is now a place of disaster. Metropolis vans are everywhere. People are fighting, foreigners are fighting, South Africans are fighting. Like, I don't know how Joburg CBD turned into this in the twinkling of an eye. People are beating police vans. People are just packed everywhere, standing in a way of what is going on. Like, this energy should be put more into the criminals that are disturbing South Africa as a whole, and not people who are trying to make a living, because now it's going to really turn into a disaster. Joburg CBD is no longer a safe place to be.
What did they say? They're going to take us to the that must create in your life. What is creating your life? You can't take my place
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Basachubeka nokutoyitoya abantu labaphuma emaveni angaphandle lesibabeta ngema-foreigners labe bathengisa laphana eJohannesburg CBD kwaDunusa. Bayasho nje ukuthi bona they are not gonna give up and they are not going anywhere sana. Sibabonile nanyalo nje bebalwa nemaphoyisa lapha because kunemaphoyisa kuliwa nemaphoyisa. Basusa nje imbi laphayana vele uyabona ukuthi abadimiselanga ngokuyiqaya. like abadimiselanga njena batitshelile ukuthi they are not going anywhere. Batitshelile nje ukuthi iJohannesburg yabo kahlahle nje kwayona eSouth Africa yabo ibelonga kubo. Guys, I think ngibona inkinga mina in 10-20 years to come ngema-foreigner. Ngibona ama-foreigner nje ayithatha iSouth Africa kuba yabo, because if labantu bavuka ngelaka, no. If labantu baba nengane, no. Imagine in 10 years to come ngokuthi babe sebagqwele kangakanani la-South Africa and bayobe sebanengane lengakanani. This is so embarrassing ke sana for i-government yethu ukuthi ithole ibuke le tinto etifana naleti tenteka. It's so heartbreaking, Nkosi yami. But anyway, sizothini? Oh, vele abantu kufanele batibambele umthetho ngetandla tabo, because if ungolinze government siyabona nakulive limosheka. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.